Well, hello everybody. You'll remember the last time when we did our CADARRA, the first of our CADARRA styles in a top, we did it in a Grecian style over one shoulder. And I promised you at the end that next time it would be a halter. So I've worn my palazzo pants. I've added the little pearl earrings. I'm going to put a necklace on as well. But we're going to start exactly the same way. We make it nice and like a fair amount of tension on the seam line of the outside of your sleeve. You're going to do a double knot. And that's my Tully that just walked in because I didn't close the door. So my little puppy that you saw, she's 16 years of age and we adore her. She doesn't know her limitations, despite the fact of being both deaf and blind. She just sniffs around till she finds her mummy and daddy. Okay, so that's the double knot. Now, we took it over one side the last time. I'll show you that. We took it up over one shoulder like that. That was the Grecian style. But this time, same but different. We give it a shake so it doesn't catch anywhere in our body. We're going to slip it over the top of our head. We're going to drape it down. Now, tell me, who doesn't like a beautiful cow-necked halter top? Now, I'm going to put my necklace over the top, try not to muck up my hair. Now, you can have a long line set of pearls. You don't have to do any pearls at all. I just sort of fancied making it look a little more dressy. Okay, so there we are. There's our CADARRA, which is a dress. It's a skirt. It's also pants, which we'll get to at another time. But we've transformed our CADARRA dress into an elegant halter top, which can be worn casual or after 5, and in this case, very much after 5. It's nice and cool across here. For those of you who don't know, CADARRA comes with detachable, adjustable straps that fit in line with your bra strap. But when we had the winter white made, we didn't have straps to go with this particular colour. So I've managed to find a bend-on Freya form bra, which is almost identical in colour. So I've got my little straps. I've covered them in this way, or you can wear it totally strapless, which in fact across the back looks even better if the whole thing's as strapless and you've got your halter over it. But I just want to show you how going from shoulder to a halter neck, adding some palazzo pants can make it look absolutely fabulous. So I hope you enjoy this style, but you wait for style number 3. Bye for now.
CADARRA, one dress that can be worn 20 different ways. Imagine going from a dress to a skirt or a top to harem pants in just seconds. The CADARRA dress can be converted into styles to suit all ages and sizes and is great value. Replacing many items in your wardrobe, it's also perfect to wear during travel to help you travel light. CADARRA, fashionably fabulous for every occasion.